The 8 of us attended the workshop for student leaders provided by the Holocaust and Human Rights Education Center in White Plains. We were sent so we could bring you back food for thought and action on 2 main topics.
Those topics are respect for the diversity of others through respect for yourself and standing up for others in the face of disrespect. In other words, how to be an upstander instead of a bystander.
We learned a new word at this workshop, microaggression. We all know what micro means, small, and we know what aggression is, taking action against others. So microaggressions are small things we do or say without really thinking first that hurt others. They come from assumptions and unfair stereotypes we have about people.
We want you to understand and be able to stop microaggression because it is relatively easy to stop when you see it and hear it happening or catch yourself doing it.
It really is the easiest way to be an active upstander. However, instead of telling you about microaggression, we would like to show you how it works. This scene takes place during lunch and recess on the corner of a large field.
Yeah.
Alright, we need to be captains. I would really like to be a captain.
So go for it.
Okay.
Girl captain. Girl captain.
I've never been a captain. I'd really like to try.
Okay, go for it.
Let the picking begin.
Yeah.
Woo!
Yeah!
Tommy.
Catherine.
Woo!
Jonah.
There you go.
Clayton.
Yeah! Ortiz! Carla, Catherine, Camilla, Clayton! We rock! We rule!
Brenna.
Miko, what's the problem?
Well, I guess I was hoping to have an all-boy team.
Oh, Miko, you're in for a surprise. Miko, go stand over there and pretend you're the catcher. Hunker on down.
Nico, you better catch this.
Way back.
Prina, throw one into Miko. Go, Prina! Go, Prina! Woo! 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 Yeah, Prina! Miko, why did you catch that? I was not expecting that. I'll pick this girl for a team any day.
Assuming something false about a person can rob you of their talent.
I'm sorry, Karina. I'll never think a girl can't play sport as well as a boy can again. Alright, let's play ball!
Yeah! This scene takes place in the cafeteria at lunchtime.
Wow! That sandwich is huge.
Yeah.
It looks really good.
It is.
But how can such a skinny person like you eat so much?
Wait, Camilla, it's okay. Finish your sandwich. Tommy, Camilla figure skates competitively. To get time on the ice, she practices before school. She's up really early and burns lots of calories. She's as hungry as a bear for the rest of the day.
Yeah.
Gosh, Camilla, I had no idea. Please continue eating your lunch.
That's okay, Tommy. I guess all the exercise keeps my body weight down and my appetite up.
Well, that makes sense. Hey, I would love to see you compete sometime.
Me too.
That can be arranged.
This scene takes place in Flux's class. Karina's family has just immigrated from Cuba. They do not speak English at all. Miss Z has asked Carla to do some translating of story so that Karina can follow along.
¿Tienes un trozo de pan de maíz, Cas? La voz del hombre era profunda como un trueno. Pelo gris y negro salía de debajo de su barbilla y olía a perro mojado. Saki asumió desde el espacio en la puerta. No, Cas, a mejor cuando mi tía llega a casa. El hombre salía de la puerta. Saki he visto a Cas andar muy despacio por la calle. Saki cerró la puerta y he ido dentro de la casa. Todos sabían el nombre. Me llamaban Cas, corto para primo. Nadie sabía su nombre real. Algunas personas decían que él tenía millones de dólares y que tenía mucha moneda en una casa muy grande. ¿Qué pista da el autor que Cas es un lobo?
Tiene pelo canoso y negro en la cara y huele como un perro, camina con piernas largas y habla con voz baja.
Correcto.
Carla, you sound just like Prina. She just came from Cuba. You don't look Cuban.
I'm not, but my family is from Spain. We speak Spanish at home.
Well, you don't look Spanish either.
Jonah, what do Spanish or Cuban people look like? Is there a formula? Based on Carla, I guess not.
My mistake. I just assume people from Spain or Cuba do not have blonde hair and blue eyes.
Well, assumptions lead to stereotypes, and stereotypes ignore a person's individuality.
Now that I think of it, people have told me more than once that I don't look Jewish, but I am Jewish. And that really bothers me. I guess I better start thinking before I open my mouth instead of after.
No hay problema.
No problem.
This scene takes place around the bleachers at Parkway Field. A co-ed soccer travel team called the Vipers has just won the league championship and are planning a victory picnic in celebration. All right, guys, let's get planning. We can get food from Sundance, and whatever they don't have, my mom can get at Costco.
What about pizza?
We always get pizza.
What about subs? Sundance has great subs.
Too bad Mo had to leave. I'm not sure what he likes.
Oh, let's get ham and cheese subs, chips and Coke.
Nico. Okay, eat ham.
Why? Who's allergic to ham?
Nico, he's not allergic.
So what's the problem? Who doesn't like ham?
Miko, Mo can't eat ham.
What a weird rule. Why won't his parents let him eat ham?
Nico, Mo is short for Muhammad. Mo's family is Muslim. Their holy book, the Quran, forbids eating ham. It's not halal.
What's halal?
It's like kosher rules for Jewish people, or giving up stuff for Lent for Christians. It's part of Mo's religion.
Oh, I had no idea. You learn something new every day. I feel silly.
You should.
Well, what will it be for the subs, people?
What about buffalo chicken?
With chips and Coke?
What do you say, guys?
Yeah.
Buffalo chicken, chips and Coke! Buffalo chicken, chips and Coke! My mom can get the chips and Coke at Costco.
And I can get Coach Store the subs.
Yeah.
Vipers on 3!
1, 2, 3, Vipers!
This scene takes place after school sitting on the playground equipment. It is a Friday.
I love Fridays. My mom said I can invite a couple friends over for some pizza and a movie. You guys up for it?
I'm in. But let me check with my mom.
I'm totally up for it, but what movie?
Check with home first to see if you can come, and then we'll decide what movie.
Sounds like fun. I'll check with my mom.
All systems go. What movie?
I'm good to go. What movie?
My mom says TGIF, and I can go. I don't care what movie.
I think we should watch Black Panther. I heard the acting and the costumes are great, and my brother really enjoyed it.
I think we should watch Captain Marvel because I really want to see Brie Larson play a character in a comic strip. Besides, I think it has more that relates to us.
What do you mean Captain Marvel has more that relates to us?
Well, Black Panther is a black movie. It's meant for a black audience, so...
From what I understand, Black Panther is about courageous people fighting for what is fair and just. It's about standing with pride for who you are.
Isn't that what all superheroes do?
Isn't that what real heroes do? Tommy, don't you think we can all relate to that?
Well, I guess we could. So we'll be Green Panthers watching Black Panther.
Agreed.
Agreed. Okay, now we have to decide on what pizza to order.
My house, my rules, meatball.
Sausage!
I really don't care.
As you have seen, microaggression happens when people assume things about others because they're different.
Microaggression is based on unfair stereotypes. You and those around you don't intend to be mean, you just don't realize that a comment may offend someone.
Stop microaggression in yourself. Think before you make a comment. Will your words offend someone?
To stop it in others, educate them nicely. Make them aware of what they're saying may be hurtful and is based on an unfair stereotype.
Microaggression.
Easy to do, but easy to eliminate.